So how do you use the Google app instead of the Safari on iPhone? Let's get started. So if this is your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we have the browsers or plenty of different web browsers on the iPhone, and you can choose the default one by opening up the settings, tapping on apps at the bottom, and at the top of the list we have the default apps selection. So from those, you can go to the browser app and pick different one outside of Safari, right? So a lot of people want to switch to the Google browser, which is the Google Chrome. So you can select it this way, right? So that is like a Google app, which you can use technically instead of the Safari. If you are referring to the actual Google app, which has like just the G logo, well, this is technically not a web browser, so it cannot replace the Safari, right? So you can only use it to look something up, but it's not a browser because Google Chrome is the web browser. I hope it all makes sense, right? So that's how it's set up and how it works. If you really just want to stop using Safari altogether and you don't want to see it, right, you can also open up the settings and go to the screen time section. And inside of there, you can go to the content and privacy restrictions. And part of that, you have the allowed apps and features. And you can literally disable Safari altogether, meaning that it will disappear from the phone and leaving you no other option than just to use the Google app or Chrome app. This is a little bit of a, like a harder measure. So not sure if you actually want to do this, but I'm showing you this option, right? So let me know what you think below. I hopefully managed to cover all of the things and all of the angles of this problem. Let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.